Garmin has done it again. The aviation smartwatch category just got a massive upgrade with the launch of the brand new Garmin D2 Air X15, a mid-range smartwatch that perfectly blends premium design, aviation-specific tools, and lifestyle-friendly features into one elegant and durable package. This incredible new watch officially replaces the D2 Air X10, which was based on the older Venu 2 Plus. But this time Garmin has completely skipped the Venu 3 lineup and jumped straight ahead to the powerful Venu 4 platform, bringing along modern aesthetics, performance upgrades, and smarter tools for both pilots and everyday users. The Garmin D2 Air X15 builds directly upon the solid foundation of the Venu 4, but adds a collection of unique features that make it truly stand out from Garmin's other wearables. Starting with stunning 1.4-inch AMOLED display that offers crystal clear visuals, deep blacks, and vibrant colors at a resolution of 454 by 454 pixels, ensuring unmatched readability in all conditions, whether under bright sunlight or in low-light flight cabins. Sitting inside a 45mm case, the smartwatch features a rugged yet premium build that weighs just 56 grams with Garmin's standard silicone band. The body combines stainless steel and fiber-reinforced polymer, giving it the perfect balance between durability and comfort for all-day wear. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3, so you won't have to worry about scratches or scuffs during those busy travel or flight days. Garmin's attention to detail shows again in the design. You can choose between elegant slate and silver finishes, each paired with stylish black silicone band that can be swapped easily thanks to the 22mm quick-release system, letting users personalize the look instantly. But where the D2 Air X15 truly shines is in its aviation-focused features, which elevate it far beyond a typical smartwatch. Garmin has included the powerful Garmin Pilot app, which provides pilots with real-time avionics data, navigation details, weather information, and even a daily aviation morning report, helping aviators stay informed and ready for every journey. This deep integration with Garmin's aviation ecosystem makes the D2 Air X15 more than a smartwatch. It's an intelligent flight companion. Whether you're a professional pilot, an aviation hobbyist, or someone fascinated by flight tech, this smartwatch offers an unmatched experience with features designed specifically for in-flight safety and convenience. One of the biggest additions this time is the built-in LED flashlight, a feature previously reserved for high-end Garmin models like the Phoenix and Tactic series. This flashlight isn't just a gimmick. It's practical for night flights, pre-flight inspections, or even outdoor use. It comes with adjustable brightness and a redshift mode, which helps protect your night vision, a crucial detail for pilots operating in low-light conditions. The D2 Air X15 also inherits all the smart and health-focused features from the Venu 4 series, meaning you get voice command support, Garmin's Messenger app integration for quick replies and updates, and a full suite of health monitoring tools, including heart rate tracking, body battery energy monitoring, sleep insights, pulse ox, stress tracking, and more. Garmin has worked hard to ensure that even though the D2 Air X15 is geared toward pilots, it's equally functional for general users who want a stylish and capable smartwatch for fitness and productivity. Speaking of performance, the D2 Air X15 promises up to 10 days of battery life on a single charge, which is impressive for a smartwatch with such a vivid AMOLED screen. That means you can wear it for over a week without worrying about recharging, even with frequent use of features like GPS tracking, notifications, and heart rate monitoring. This extended battery endurance makes it perfect for long-haul flights, travel, and outdoor adventures. Under the hood, the D2 Air X15 also brings a significant upgrade in processing efficiency and connectivity stability, thanks to the same optimized software platform as the Venu 4. You can expect faster app loading, smoother animations, and more reliable syncing with Garmin Connect Mobile. As for smart features, Garmin continues to blur the line between smartwatch and smartphone. You can receive calls, reply to messages, and interact with notifications right from your wrist. The built-in microphone and speaker allow you to make hands-free calls or interact with your voice assistant without ever reaching for your phone. The D2 Air X15 also supports Garmin Pay, making contactless payments quick and effortless during travel. But what really sets this watch apart is its dedicated aviation integration, including airport data, GPS-based navigation assistance, and even alerts for altitude and oxygen levels, ensuring that safety and precision are always at your fingertips. For pilots who rely on situational awareness, this level of functionality could easily make the D2 Air X15 one of the most practical and affordable aviation watches on the market. And despite all this cutting-edge tech, Garmin has kept the design clean and modern, making it suitable for both cockpit and casual environments. Another impressive detail is that the D2 Air X15 takes advantage of Garmin's powerful health snapshot and morning/evening report features, letting you track your wellness trends with ease. Whether it's monitoring your energy before a flight, checking your sleep recovery, or managing stress through guided breathing sessions, this smartwatch ensures you're performing at your best, both mentally and physically. Garmin's deep ecosystem integration also means you can connect the D2 Air X15 to other Garmin devices and sensors, syncing everything from flight data to fitness metrics in one seamless platform. And if you're worried about compatibility, rest assured that it works flawlessly with both Android and iOS devices. For users upgrading from the older D2 Air X10, the jump to the X15 will feel transformative. The AMOLED screen, enhanced battery, and flashlight alone justify the upgrade, but when you factor in the updated Garmin Pilot features and faster performance, it's a no-brainer. The pricing also strikes a smart balance. At $649.99, it's more affordable than Garmin's high-end D2 Mach 2, while still packing premium materials and flight tools that professionals can rely on. In short, Garmin has positioned the D2 Air X15 as the perfect middle ground between the entry-level D2 Air models and the Elite Mach series. It's rugged yet refined, smart yet flight-ready, and powerful yet practical for daily wear. If you're a pilot or simply someone who appreciates precision-engineered gadgets, this smartwatch delivers exceptional value. Plus, the timing couldn't be better. With travel season around the corner, the D2 Air X15 makes for a perfect companion for those who love to explore the skies or simply crave a smartwatch that stands out. As always, Garmin has maintained its commitment to build quality and innovation, and the D2 Air X15 showcases that legacy in full force. The combination of aviation-grade functionality, cutting-edge AMOLED display, and thoughtful design details make it one of the most exciting smartwatch releases of 2025. So, if you've been waiting for a smartwatch that can keep up with your lifestyle, whether you're flying, training, or living life to the fullest, the Garmin D2 Air X15 is definitely worth your attention. It's modern, smart, and built for adventure. And that wraps up today's in-depth look at Garmin's latest aviation smartwatch. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more updates on upcoming gadgets, don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow tech enthusiasts, and subscribe to TechVerse, your ultimate destination for the latest in smartwatches, drones, and cutting-edge technology. Stay tuned, because the next innovation is always just a flight away, only here on TechVerse.